Hey there, my friends. Welcome to another product review. So we have the SENGLED Snap. It's an outdoor-indoor floodlight slash security camera. It's wireless. It's basically just a light bulb here. It's got night vision. It's got sound, two-way sound. Let's open this thing up. All right, so do have a knife here. Always be careful with knives, my friends. Where's the box here? Okay, so I got a little slit right here. Alright, slide that in there. Always cut away from yourself and practice proper knife safety. Okay, so we're opening this thing up here. Let's see. Alright, how's it come out here? Okay, it pushes out through this way. So there's the outer piece. And in here we have, I believe it just slides out the bottom like that. Yes, it does. So let's do that way. Slowly but surely. So this works on Apple Store, iOS, and Android. So, alright. Well, the first thing that's kind of jumping out at me is the packaging. It's very well done. It's like kind of like the Ring 2 unboxing I did. So, the packaging was impressive. So, let's see what we got in here. We got a cord, looks like. It says on the little picture here. So, I'm going to open that up. Nothing else in there. Alright, so we have a socket and a cord here. And it's got a little switch on it. It's about roughly a 5-foot cord, I would say. Okay. Now down to the main deal here. Pull out this light bulb. Very nice packaging, very secure. And in the bottom we have some instructions and whatnot. Okay, so this light bulb is kind of hefty. Oh, nice. It does have, it comes with a little sign here too, if I can pull it out of there. There we go. Property monitored by SENGLED. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so what we have on this device is it's got the floodlight. It's got infrared. It's got a microphone. It's basically everything the Ring 2 does, but with a floodlight. So it's pretty sweet, and it all comes in a light bulb. You can just plug in any socket. It's got the Wi-Fi already built in, everything like that. So that's the unboxing on this thing. I just want to touch on the packaging again because I was pretty impressed with that. I mean, it's well packaged. It's very professionally done, I'd have to say. So anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and do a setup on this product and get it all working on the iPad and show you how that works. So we'll be right back. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna plug the light bulb into the socket it came with, and this is waterproof as well. So there we go. Next step is plug in pendant light holder into wall socket. And make sure it's close to your wireless router. So we are close to the wireless router. I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in right here. Okay, whoa, let's pull my microphone out. Alright, I might have to go to wireless microphone here. So it's plugged in. Get the app. So I already have the SENGLED app. I downloaded it, found it from my iPad. Quick and easy. Next note, if you already have an account, okay, so I have the SENGLED Snap account, so you just want to search for SENGLED Snap in quotations. Okay, add snap to an existing account. So once you have you sign up for your account, just add the snap, tap the plus button. Then it's going to take a little while to set up, and once it does that, I believe we are ready to go. Let's see what happens here. I got my iPad right here. Oh, it helps if I turn on the device, right? There we go. So now that it is turned on, it goes through a couple little clicking motions. And switch off the power. Unscrew snap from the holder, snap into your desired fixture. Rotate snap so the camera is at the 6 o'clock position. Okay, so the blue light's flashing right now as it's setting up a little bit. And let me see here. Connection has been interrupted. I'm trying to figure this out on the app. It's working just fine earlier. Oh, and there we have it. I got some feedback here. Oh, stop the mic. I'm getting some mic feedback here. So, 1 second. I'm in a goofy loop here. Okay, so hang on a second. Let me get this. The current video is unstable. Please lower the resolution for smoother video. Alright, give me 1 second here to figure out this, and we'll be right back here. Okay, updated the app, and as you can see, I've got the camera right here, or the light bulb. So I aim it up at the ceiling. I have my iPad right here so you can kind of see what it is. It's on the app right now. So the app has a bunch of different functions. You can turn on the microphone if you want to communicate with the person. You can turn it off. You can just let it listen if you want to. Right here is a light function. So I'm going to tap this button right here. It turns on the light bulb. Here, we'll aim it here. There's a light. And there it is with the camera. Okay, and you can also, with this scrolling bar on here, you can dim the light to however you want it to be. So it's kind of cool. It's got night vision. It's got the audio. It's got the video. It's 1080p available. This is it right here that we're looking at. So it is pretty cool. So it's all set up now. If I can go, I'm gonna go put it outside. I have a socket that's ready for it to go in there, and I'm gonna go hook this up. So let's go outside and show you how it works. Alrighty, here we are outside alongside the house here. You got your standard outlet here. Just gonna plug it in, or actually I can screw it in. Okay, and we got the camera facing down right there. So I believe we are good to go. Let's go check the app and see how we're at right here. Alright, so let's check out the options here a little bit. So we can go into the options and we'll go over these. So you can turn the camera on and off. Night vision, you can turn it on auto, or if you click on auto, you can turn it off. I'll just leave it on auto. Microphone, you can turn it on or off. The resolution, you can do different resolutions. Maybe I'll do like 720 or whatever. And motion detection, you can do on. So basic human detection is in beta. Sensitivity is on high right now. Notifications, we'll put it on. And that's about it. You can change the zones and stuff. It's kind of neat. So let's go back and back. And now if anyone's walking, the one thing I wish was fixed, so when you hit the microphone button, so you can talk, but you have to hit stop for them to hear them. So if the microphone's turned on, so you could talk, hey, what are you doing? Up to hear them to engage again. So if it was just you just hit microphone and talk, so you could still hear them, that would be cool. But as far as like just being a really neat light bulb with the effects and stuff, we'll have to see what it does at night, and we'll show you that too. But it's pretty neat so far. Hi. Hi. Hear me? I can hear you. Well, I heard you. Look, it's Vincent. Meow. Meow cat. See? He's your cat. That is your cat. How good is the microphone? Can you like hear this? Rrrr. That's weird that the microphone only picks up when you touch the microphone button, and then you can't hear outside audio. They need to fix that. Here. Vincent, come here. Come here. Come here, kitty. Come here. Come here. Meow, 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 Vincent, meow. It's Vincent. Okay, so this is kind of neat feature too. It sends you reports of all the activity that's caught on the camera, and I thought this is kind of a cool one here. Watch this. So it sends you all these alerts when something happens, but it's so sensitive it even catches this bee flying by right here. Look like a yellow jacket. How neat is that? So also, here's a night vision one, and this was actually not too long ago, and it's kind of creepy. But oh wait, you gotta see this one first. So my cat's walking by, caught them on camera. It sends an alert when there they are roaming around together. Aren't they precious? Okay. And also, here's one that just happened not too long ago. My rear lights came on, and I don't know if you can hear. I don't know if it's the sound. Can you hear the sound on this or not? Alright, so final thoughts and review on the SENGLED Snap outdoor HD security camera with LED floodlight. So first off, it's easy to set up. I mean, you plug it in the wall, follow the simple instructions, install the app. The light works. It's decently bright for a floodlight. It works great. I like that the app features are fairly simple. Turning the light on and off. I like you can set the timer to have the light come on at a certain time, go off at a certain time. You can put the security camera. You can mute it, have the sound on, off. Lots of neat little features on here. One thing I did not like, which I thought they could have done better, was when you hit on my iPad, when I went to talk, I had to hit the microphone button, and then when you're talking, it turns into like you talk, and then you have to hit stop, and then it goes back. So if someone answers you right away, there's some lag there. So basically you would have to tell them, hey, wait a second, before you talk. And that might just be because if my internet was slow, I thought maybe the connection wasn't that good, but it was something that was, I mean, I'm really nitpicking here. It's not really a big issue, but overall, for the ease of use, how simple it is to set up, just basically screw it into your socket and you're good to go. Works great. I'm really impressed with it. So I probably, if I was given out of 10 stars, I'd give it probably 8 or 9 as far, if my internet connection was a little bit better, I'm sure that there wouldn't be any lag or anything when I'm doing that, when I'm messing with the videos. I like the fact that they send you updates. It says it comes with free 24-hour cloud storage for like 5 years. So they send you updates when things trigger the motion sensor. So that's kind of neat too. And you can go scroll through your app and check out the videos and everything. And it gives you alerts on your phone or whatever if you have an alert come up. So really cool. I think as far as like a neat tech device, it's right up there with the Ring 2, the doorbell. It's very similar, except this thing has a light too. So I installed this outside, as you guys saw, and I'm really pleased with this product. It seems pretty cool. I like it. So thanks for watching this review. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.